am Mariana, coming to you from Studio C in the
Chevron
Chevron
steam
Steam
zone.
as well.
We are here to watch some great golfers today.
And now a message from our sponsor.
My dad sees his 5-iron shot landing on the green. I see a torque force reacting with club momentum as dad pushes it into the rough. Aw. My dad sees a birdie putt. I see rolling resistance from friction causing the ball to lip the cup. I wish more kids like me were into STEM. Science, technology, engineering, and mathematics. Did you know STEM jobs are growing faster and paying more than non-STEM jobs?
Chevron has invested nearly $100 million in U.S. education. Learn more at chevron.com.